Hi, this is Stephanie Kwame from the CAT Academy, and it is my pleasure today to announce the winners of the Design Something Make a Difference contest for 2018. The students had a daunting task in this contest. They had to come up with a new product or an aftermarket product that made a difference in people's lives. And the quality and the level this year is amazing to me. They just get better and better at it every year. And I think that's a tribute to the great instructors out there and the great programs that we have at our high school level. A matter of fact, the judges thought that the projects were perhaps from a university. But every student who participated will receive a certificate of achievement, and we'll get those out right away. And of course, the winning students receive a laptop computer. So let's go and see who it was our third place winner. Our third place winner did a regenerative braking system, and he states that with the demand of efficiency and lower emissions in cars, the smaller engines are becoming applicable, and there is a reason to be looking for increasing the efficiency. And there's a lot of new technology out there, but they're only available in high-end vehicles. And so he wanted to come up with a low-cost product that could be used with almost any vehicle out there. And he wanted to be able to mass produce it as well. And so basically this product is connected to the car drive axle, and when the car is decelerating, in addition to using brakes, the kinetic energy from the car is converted into electrical energy and stored in the battery. And that reduces wear on the vehicle's brake pads, the rotors, too, but the electrical energy can be used to spin a turbocharger, which I think makes it go faster, which maybe some people may not like, forcing air into the engine cylinders, resulting in higher compression ratio. And the higher the compression ratio, it increases the overall efficiency and the clean combustion. And so basically, this is what he said: overall, my design helps make cars not only more fun, but more efficient and better for the environment. And I think that is a great, great idea. Here's his narrative, and the third place winner is Tanner Mullen, and he's from Kent Career Tech Center, and his really great instructor is Lawrence Ridley. They produce some very fine students out there in their engineering program. Our second place winner did something he calls an ETD, into texting and driving. And we all know that distracted driving can injure and kill. And he has statistics from the CDC that 9 people are killed and 1,000 injured every day because they are distracted. And it basically ends up being something like 3,000 lives and 300,000 injuries per year because people are texting and driving. And he said, why not just come up with something that disables the phone? But if you disable one phone, it perhaps would disable everybody's, and that's not fair to the passenger. So he came up with this device. And it is composed of the camera, the sensor, and the control plug. And they communicate wirelessly to eliminate eliminate the driver doing texting. It has a camera that looks forward and one that looks back, and it can actually do facial recognition on the driver. And it requires that the driver's phone be placed in the sensor prior to driving. And at any time that the phone is taken out of its sensor, then the car starts to gradually slow, so they have to pull over and put the car in park. And so basically it's an inconvenience, of course. And if there is an emergency, a person could unplug the whole device and have regular functioning of the car. He says texting and driving is a very serious and prevalent problem that has touched almost everyone, and I think the ETD has real potential to solve this problem and save many lives. And I think it's a great idea. And the second place winner who came up with this terrific idea is Mitchell. And I might not pronounce your last name correctly, so I don't think I'll even try, but you know who you are. And Mitchell is also from Kent Career Tech Center. What a great program they have under Lawrence Ridley, the instructor. He really knows what he's doing. Congratulations. And our first place winner this year did a robotic exoskeleton. And in the past, exoskeletons have been seen in movies and video games and regarded as science fiction. But with the advances of the battery and motor technologies, coupled with the lightweightness of carbon fiber or the metal materials you can use, the ability to mass produce an exoskeleton is becoming a reality. And he was thinking mostly of in the work environment to help with lifting. You could also, do it for the legs. I can see it also in rehabilitation of people that have horrible injuries. But if you did a lot of lifting, you could actually save the worker's physical health. And people that lift repeatedly heavy objects, according to OSHA, have work-related injuries of musculoskeletal of $45 billion a year, with an average compensation between $40,000 and $80,000. And of course, an injury to your back, a permanent injury to your back, is horrible. It's horrible if a job costs you to have that. Exoskeletons are a set of robotic appendages that attach to motors or hydraulics that move in tandem with the worker's arms or legs. So he would probably develop one for the legs as well. By transferring the load to the exoskeleton, it relieves the stress. And also, he points out that you could actually reduce fatigue, and maybe people that worked could get more and more done. Quite interestingly, the United States military has been experimenting with this technology on their own. And so there's a lot of places this product could go. And so he said, for my design, I created an upper body suit with the goal of it being used in an industrial environment. The suit has 2 geared motors that drive a cable system to assist the user when lifting heavy loads. And he felt like that kept everything in sync a little better. And of course, it has an LiPo, or a lithium polymer battery, so it keeps it small in size and lightweight, and it has more power to use it for an extended period of time. And he says, in the near future, exoskeletal systems will become much more prevalent in the workplace as more companies learn the potential of this technology. In addition, they will continue to grow in value as the LiPo battery technology advances, thus allowing the suits to run for a longer time and to be stronger as well. And so our first place winner this year has been a winner before. It's Zachary O'Donnell. He comes up with the best ideas, and he comes also from a great program. Travis Hutchinson is his instructor out of Liberty High School. So congratulations to all of our winners. Again, this year the projects have upped a level, and I really think it was an amazing job everybody did. So we'll be getting out those prizes because we did it earlier this year. It will work out a lot better. And we thank everybody who participated, and we appreciate you listening.